Most of you know probably that I have a pet parrot. His name is Joey. He's a cockatoo. One of the first questions people usually ask me is, does he talk? Well, Joey says a few things. He can say hello. He says, hi, Joey. And he can say, Polly, want a cracker? But his speaking ability falls in the range of mediocrity. But even so, he communicates with us. He uses his natural language and he uses his body language to communicate different sentiments and ideas to us. The first one we were able to recognize was fairly easy because it's universal, not just among birds, but also among other animals as well. It goes something like this. Ah! Ah! I don't know what that thing is, but it's scary. Scary, 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 scary. So we learned to recognize that one pretty quickly. And fortunately now, he's gotten used to my family and used to our home. So we don't see that one too much anymore. And now that he's learned to trust us, we see another sentiment that he will express. It goes something like this. Hey, do you think maybe you could, if it's not too much trouble, would you mind scratching my head? Right there. Yeah. No, to the right. No, my right, your left. Oh, there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. He really likes to express that one. This last one, it takes a little bit of understanding of cockatoo personality to interpret it properly. But once you've learned to recognize it, you will never fail to notice, because it's usually delivered with a great deal of energy, enthusiasm, and volume. It goes something like this. Hey, over here, everybody, look at me, 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 look at me. I'm a cockatoo. So if you ever meet a cockatoo, keep those things in mind and you'll know exactly what kind of sentiments they are trying to express. True Toastmaster.